connection to Paraguay. We find a lot of in common. We can boost our economies, boost our cooperation.
Yesterday, one of the main projects goes $100 million in equity funding and financing as well. So that's spectacular.
We came with great expectation. Paraguay is following on the footsteps of Finland on the forestry business. Tightening the relation is going to be excellent for us. What took 100 years for Finland to reach this level, we're going to try to do it in 5 or 10 years.